National Buy Ammunition Day here at Walmart, lovely Liberty, Missouri. Going in, picking up some ammo. Hopefully they got a decent supply of what I'm looking for. I'll be back, show you guys what I got. Just got back from running into my local Walmart on my lunch break here. 11/5/2012, about 1:30, and ended up spending about $133. Real quick, this is what I got going. Got a 100 round of the Federal 223 and some AR CCI, the AR Tactical. Little 22 rounds. Picked up the 100 round Winchester 9mm and a box of 45 100 rounders in the Winchester white box. That's it. $133. That's what I invested today. So you guys get out and support Second Amendment. Get out and purchase some ammo today. And also remember, tomorrow, get out early. Get your votes in. It'll be a fun couple of days. Take it.